Salamanders are small amphibians that are found all over the world, except for Antarctica and some islands in the Pacific Ocean. They are typically characterized by their elongated bodies, short legs, and moist skin. Salamanders are an important part of the ecosystem, and they play a vital role in the food chain. They are also indicators of environmental health, as their populations are often affected by changes in water quality and habitat loss. Salamanders vary greatly in size, ranging from a few inches to over a foot in length. They have a long, slender body with a distinct head, neck, and tail. Their skin is smooth and moist, and it is covered in scales. Salamanders have 4 legs, but some species have lost their limbs or have only vestigial remnants. Salamanders have well-developed senses, including keen eyesight, excellent hearing, and a sensitive sense of smell. Some salamanders also have a third eye, called the parietal eye, which is located on the top of their head and helps them to detect changes in light. Salamanders are primarily insectivores, meaning that they eat insects. However, some salamanders are also omnivores and will eat a variety of other foods, including fruits, vegetables, small mammals, and even other salamanders. Salamanders use a variety of methods to capture their prey, including stalking, ambushing, and using sticky tongues. Salamanders reproduce sexually, and most species lay eggs. However, some salamanders give birth to live young. The eggs are typically laid in a nest, which may be located in a burrow, under a rock, or in a tree. The eggs are incubated for a period of time, and the hatchlings are on their own from the moment they emerge. Salamanders are ectothermic, meaning that they rely on external sources to regulate their body temperature. This is why salamanders are often seen basking in the sun on rocks or logs. Salamanders are also very good at camouflage, and they can use their skin to blend in with their surroundings. Some salamanders are social animals and live in groups, while others are solitary. Salamanders communicate with each other using a variety of methods, including vocalizations, body language, and scent marking. Salamanders face a number of threats, including habitat loss, pollution, and disease. Habitat loss is a major problem for salamanders, as it destroys their homes and forces them into smaller, more fragmented habitats. Salamanders are also threatened by pollution, such as pesticides and herbicides, which can contaminate their food and water sources. Salamanders are also susceptible to a number of diseases, including chytridiomycosis, which is a fungal disease that can kill salamanders quickly. There are a number of organizations working to conserve salamanders. These organizations work to protect salamander habitat, reduce pollution, and educate people about the importance of salamanders. One such organization is the Amphibian Survival Alliance, which works to conserve amphibians around the world and to raise awareness about the threats they face. Salamanders are an important part of the ecosystem, and they play a vital role in the food chain. They are also indicators of environmental health, as their populations are often affected by changes in water quality and habitat loss. We can all do our part to help salamanders by supporting conservation organizations and learning more about these fascinating creatures.